welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to learn about sentiment analysis of movie review using supervised machine learning techniques. Introduction. We live in a digital world dominated by the World Wide Web, which is growing at an exponential rate. A big component of the web is people's review or opinions of digital services. Mining people's opinions is becoming a source of competitive intelligence and advantage for any business, but more so for online business. Sentiment analysis is an active area of research in view of its broad application in domains such as advertising organizations as they investigate their services and products to institute brand improvement. Movie review websites like IMDb, Amazon Prime, and Netflix enable users or clients to submit reviews in the form of rating. This helps users express their thoughts and opinions about the movies. These remarks can be utilized to produce helpful data that describes its contents, giving the other users a chance to find out about the sentiment polarity of those reviews. Reviews may be in thousands and even thousands of thousands to read. It will be time consuming to scan those all reviews to conclude whether to purchase a movie or watch it. Likewise, just reading a few reviews will not be sufficient to settle a movie's viewpoints. So, it will be useful for both movie producers and potential viewers if movie review could be automatically mined and summarized with defined generalized information. In this project, we classify movie reviews into positive or negative polarity by applying machine learning and natural language processing for opinion mining and sentiment analysis. Objective of the project is to perform sentiment analysis on movie reviews available on the platform IMDb by utilizing machine learning and natural language processing techniques. The project aims to classify these reviews into either positive or negative polarity. The goal is to mine opinions and sentiment expressed by users about the movies. The use of naive-Bayes classifier and the built-in sentiment intensity analyzer in Python allows for the identification of parts of speech from words and the calculation of polarity from the reviews, facilitating the classification process for sentiment analysis. Requirements for the implementation of project are hardware and software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above are required. In software requirements, Python IDEL of 3.7 version is required. Coming to the methodology, we have designed 4 modules for execution. So in first module, which is upload IMDb movie review dataset, in this we will be uploading the dataset to application. The second module is load sentiment classifier. In this module, sentiment classifier will be loaded and then this contains naive-Bayes classifier implementation which can identify POS, which is parts of speech from words, and then calculate the polarity from the given reviews. We are using Python inbuilt sentiment classifier called Sentiment Intensity Analyzer. It provides a quick sentiment analysis using a pre-trained lexicon of word sentiment scores. Both methods aid in classifying movie reviews into positive or negative polarity. The third module is Identify Sentiment Polarity. After calculating the polarity, we can use this module to identify polarity of each word, and if more number of words give the high polarity for positive, then that sentence will be considered as positive. If more number of words given negative polarity, then that sentence considered as negative. The fourth one is sentiment analysis graph. In this module, it will display a graph which shows total reviews found and how many are positive reviews and how many are negative reviews identified from the entire data set. Execution. For execution, first open the code folder. So this is the code folder of the project and this is the IMDb dataset. On this we will be building the model, and these two are the main files which contains the Python script in it, and this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we have created the Windows batch file for execution. So double click on it for execution. This is the graphical user interface of the project. With this, we can interact with the program. This is created by Tincter library in Python. So first, click on the button Upload IMDb dataset. So this is the IMDb dataset of movies. Click on the button Open. Here, By this we can understand that the movie reviews dataset is loaded. Now click on the button Load Sentiment Classifier. By this, the sentiment classifier is loaded, and this contains the naive-Bayes classifier implementation. It identifies parts of speech from the words and then calculate the polarity from the given reviews. Python inbuilt sentiment classifier called Sentiment Intensity Analyzer is also used in this module. Now click on the button Identify Sentiment Polarity to check the reviews of the dataset. So here is the first movie review, and here it is sentimented as negative because the polarity, positive polarity, is less than the negative polarity. If the negative polarity is higher than the positive polarity, it is considered as negative. Here in the next comment, it is reviewed as positive because the positive polarity rate is higher than negative polarity. Similarly, it has reviewed all the data. Now click on the button Sentiment Analysis Graph. Here on the x-axis we have the total review, positive review and the negative review. On the y-axis we have the counts. Here among the reviews we have the negative reviews more than the positive reviews. Now close this. Click on the button Shutdown App to close this graphical user interface. Conclusion: the sentiment analysis project successfully classifies movie reviews into positive or negative polarity, providing valuable insights for streaming platforms. The data aids in understanding audience reaction and making informed decisions. Further refinement through various techniques can enhance the model performance. Despite its current level, sentiment analysis still offers competitive intelligence and advantages in the movie streaming industry and to viewers. Continuous advancements in the natural language processing and machine learning holds the potential for more sophisticated sentiment analysis models in the future.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.